Here with a look at Coti. I love trading this thing. Man, I had a trade on this thing where, wow, I turned $100 into 800 in I don't know, it was like a half hour. It was insane. It was a crazy move. Believe it might have been over here. It was a pretty awesome move. But anyway, let's take a look at this thing. You can see here, this thing is kind of wedging up a little bit for a major move here. You got a resistance level out here, a support level down here, and it's getting to an area where it's getting ready to make give us an answer here. Okay. First off, I want to show you something over here on Bitcoin dominance. We have Bitcoin dominance making a falling wedge. Okay, falling wedges are 8 out of 10 times they break to the upside. You can see the breakout. Looks like a retest. Could be a fake out here. You never know with these things. But, when you enter a trade, you wait for the retest, the red, and you get in, and then it takes off. Now, if we zoom in on this thing a little bit more, you got, look at that retest. It's coming down. It might come down to touch that line again and bounce out of here. All right, you got the 15-minute coming down. Yeah, it's probably coming back down to this line, to maybe right there. That's a pretty good support area. Out in the 30, the 30's rolling over here a little bit, but 1, 2, 3, 4 looks like a final push down and probably a bounce. So keep your eye on Bitcoin dominance here. That breakout wedge. Calculate it be different with you. Oh, okay. All right, I was gonna say, geez, what the heck's going on here? The measurement of this thing. If you take a measurement of where it could bounce from, it could come down here to 54.78 because it looks like 5 waves in here. Quite honestly, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll keep an eye on it here. I'm going to keep that there. A lot of times it hits these, could be maybe to do without that wick. That would make more sense right there. That's right on there, But I'm watching for a breakout of Bitcoin dominance anyway, guys. We have Bitcoin more than likely bouncing here up to $65,500. That is a very crucial area for this thing. Let's take a real quick look at that. I have it all set up for you already. On the 4 hour here. You can see here, let's pull this down a little bit. Alright, on a Fibonacci, that is the area you want to keep an eye on. 65.5. If it breaks 66,000 and it has a daily closing candle above there, I would think this correction's over. If it comes up here to 65.5 and gets rejected, it's coming down here to about 61,000. That would be an ABC. If it breaks through here, look out. Has a major resistance up there around 67. That's that green line. And then there's also this upper resistance area. If it breaks that, we're making a run up to about 82. All right, so this is a very crucial area for Bitcoin. 65,500. Keep an eye on it. It's more like looks like it's heading up there. All right, that would be 1, 2, 3, wave 4 up and a wave 5 down possibly. So we'll keep a very close eye on this, but 65.5. I'm watching that area super close. All right, back over here on Coti. If we take a man, oh man, this thing has pulled back. Let's go to weekly. Looks like a possible 786, maybe even a little bit deeper here. Yeah, it just wicked through a hair. All right, yeah. When you got in a weekly on this thing, 786, man. If you get a 786 entry on stuff, that is like where you want to get it. That's right at 10 cents here. That would be a great buy right there on Coti. Not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I hate saying it, but I got to. The 786 is a great area to get in. Now that weekly RSI for this thing, you can see a bend starting to happen. If we go out in the daily, let's take a look at the daily. We got the daily at the top, but it's not rolling straight over. It's actually straightening out here. We got the 12 hour turning up, the 8 hour, bullish turning up 10 and a 9, and then you got your 4 hour turning straight up here. So Coti, this area right out here, guys, this is going to be a major area here. 14 cents, 14 and a half. We get a break of 15, it's breaking this resistance area, and this thing could make a big move then. All right, then I would be watching for a move up towards that 618 fib level. Let's see where that would be. I'm going to watch this for a trade. If that interests you guys, come over and join us, a level 3 membership. Get you 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to get you started trading, and shows you everything, man. How to set up your trading view. This thing here, the Fibonacci video, you definitely want to watch that. And it gets you a link to our Discord to come over and start trading with us. We would love to have you. Over 200 members. Thank you so much, guys. Really. I really appreciate that. You have no idea. I'm almost 5,000 subs, so awesome. This area right up here is where we're going to want to watch very close if we get the breakout of that resistance. Okay, right up here at 20, roughly 20 and a half cents to 22 and a half cents. That's your 618 and 702 area. You want to see a break of that area. All right, that is super important. A daily close above 23, and then we'll be heading up to about 39 cents. Got big big plans for Coti for the bull run. Let's take a look at a bull run target for Coti real quick. Let's get this off here. Where could this thing head for the bull run? Well, let's take a look at some price targets. I'm almost $3, $2.80. That's not too bad from 10 cents. What is that? About 30x. That's not too bad, especially from where we're at right now. 12 cents. Yeah, I'll take a 30x any day. Anyway, this area in here is going to be super important. Okay, looking for retracement. I'm honestly thinking it's going to break that area right there, that resistance, and have a bump up here, and that's going to tell us the story up here at that 618. Let's pull this back here. Keep these areas in mind, guys, because they're going to be very important. You'd have a retracement. You always get retracements. Bounces back up. You don't go straight down. These things go up and down here. So 20 and a half to 22. Get this bib one here exactly right. You want to zoom in and put that thing on there as good as you can, because that's where you get this area will have a big major impact on price. I guarantee it. If it blows right through it, that's great. If it gets rejected off there, which I don't see happening, that would be crazy. That would be a pullback down to 1.5 cents. I just don't see that happening. That would be a big ABC pattern. That would be insane for this thing to pull back down here. So we'll see what happens. Keep an eye on this, guys. If you get the break out of this, man, boy, I will be wanting to trade that, because that's a good move from from this area up to there. Oh my, wow, yeah. On a 10 or 20x leverage, you're 6 to 10x in your money. If you have $100 on this and it runs up there, and you on 10x leverage, you're gonna make $900. If you have it on 20x leverage and it runs up to here, whoa, that's good. All right, there we go. That's good. That's awesome. Been waiting for that. Knew that was going to happen. That could be a very good trade. So keep an eye on that. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon.